So I'm out at Maroubra today with a customer who's going to go, they're just going over to HFC NBN. Now NBN's run all the ducting, as you can see here, and they basically usually just leave it coiled up in this ducting outside. Now NBN will put it in for you, but basically they'll just drill through the wall and just put it on the other side of that wall. The customer didn't want it there, so basically inside this unit, the ceiling here, it's pretty much, there's just a channel, and then the gyprock is just screwed to there, so there's no way you can get a cable through, and then the floors are concrete. So the only way to get it in the location was to put in some ducting. So today I've got a hole drilled straight through the wall there, going into my ducting, which goes into their ducting, and then I've just got that run along, all nice and neat, up over the door, around to the other side, boom, 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 all neat. So that's how you do it for a unit.